Hello guys.
Today, guys, we are going to the mountains behind Chania in the Greek island of Crete. Yes, we are. So here we go. Crete. It's a big Greek island, and our starting point is here in Chania, which is a very nice place. And here we are, Chania or Chania or Chania. People pronounce it in different ways. Especially famous is this Venetian harbor in Chania. And what we're doing is we're going to go up here. This is Chania, Venetian harbor, and up here are the mountains, and that's where we're going today. And we're doing it on this bike. I rented it from this guy. He delivered it to my hotel. It's a 500 cc Honda CBX 500.
Look at this. My God. Oh, look at that. Here they come. Hello guys. This is a hard place to be stressed. It's difficult to, you really have to work on it. If you see on the windscreen, there's I don't know the English word, but it brings luck, this little guy. Holy mackerel. I've driven many beautiful places in the world, but this might be all the way up there. Oh my God. And it's really, really warm. I don't know if I have a temperature gauge here. I don't know. It must be over 20, even though we're quite high up. Butterflies, snow, flowers. Show you the view here. It's hard to be stressed here, as it is the same as it's really hard to be a racist if you travel a lot. It's very challenging, I would imagine. Look at that. That's the beauty. What a wonderful bike. In fact, you know what? It's that's not the bike's fault, but it is actually unstable if I let go of the handlebars, and it starts to wobble. As soon as I touch the handlebars, both of them, it slows down again. Something with a wheel maybe, not balanced good enough. And I'm sure that has nothing to do with the bike. That's just maintenance. The bike is very good. And also, I rent bikes most of the time, and I would say in 70% of the times I rent bikes, I cannot find a helmet that is big enough. And this time I swore to myself I will not rent a bike if they don't have a helmet that fits me. And he was so kind, that guy brought helmets the day before for me to try. And I tried them all, and the biggest one, I said okay, but deep inside I knew better. And I was unfortunately right. It's very painful, especially in the forehead. Look at this! So I guess note to self, buy my own helmet. Take it with me. That's what I would like to do. I would like to buy boots that can function in a daily cafe life, which is motorcycle boots, but looks not like racing boots. Jeans which are strengthened, motorcycle jeans that you can slide with and have some protection on the knees maybe and the hip. Gloves and a jacket with back protection and the helmet. And maybe a jacket that could function as a normal jacket if you want to go out. But that doesn't look very motorcycle-ish. Notice when I've been in hot countries in the summertime, the locals, they ride with maybe a t-shirt, but they ride with a helmet, they ride with gloves, they ride with a back protection. Hello. And if you do that, you have taken care of not everything, but I guess most of the important body parts. Paris. Let's go to Paris. 3 kilometers. price in Crete? I won't say Greece because I wouldn't know. But Crete is it's low compared to what I'm used to, and from Norway, of course. But it's not as low as Portugal. Portugal is really, really good. Both Madeira, I've been to Madeira, and Porto. I love Porto, love Madeira. Everybody was talking about Lisbon. You know, it's the digital nomad capital of the world, and it's fantastic. Go to Lisbon, what a fantastic city. And I did. And I don't know what happened, but it was nice. But it was, I looked at quite a few parts of the city. This is just my opinion, and maybe I got it wrong. I'm open to that, but I didn't like it. I didn't hate it, but I liked Porto a lot more than I did Lisbon. Lisbon was old and tired. Old as in not very well maintained, I would say. Much of it, but Porto is also old, of course, very old. But so much nicer. But I also went to New York and Manhattan once, and I didn't like that either. So don't listen to me. I love cities, but I don't know. I didn't like Manhattan. I don't know why. I liked Greenwich Village a lot. Maybe it was too crowded for me. Too many people, too much energy. Do you have a favorite motorcycle or favorite travel area you would like us to go to? Please write your suggestions and experiences in the comments. It's always nice to get the recommendations from other people, right? So if you're wondering, it's I think it's the 10th of, it's 10th or 11th of April 2022, and we are hello butterfly, up in the mountains from Chania.